In all its finery, set for the 66th edition of the English Football League come together. The top two in the Premier League table, and perhaps competition about to be generated at the high temple of English football. They met 8 years ago on this very stage, and maybe a little merciful to a very different Arsenal back then, who now come into the occasion as favourites. Rice. Saka taking it in, the first major Club Cup final for him. Oh, and they found a way through! But Trafford proves a sizable roadblock, and vitally so, for Manchester City.
The really big saves you see here on the edge of the box. Just a little bit of a sloppy touch. Just attracts Rodri. Lovely ball by Zubimendi. You just wonder, can Havertz address that ball a little bit quicker? Can he lift it into that far corner?
Incisive thrust. This is Bernardo Silva. Cherki. Semenyo. May yet work out for him, he's found a gap! But Haaland could not get the type of connection he was desperately hoping for, but City's best spell.
Yeah, without doubt, really good by Semenyo. It's a bit of a bad touch, but from that point drives to the touchline. He knows he's got to stand it up. Can Haaland meet it? He's got two around him. Ben White being one, can't quite get up above that ball, turn it goalwards.
Ake. Doku again. O'Reilly. Cherki. Rodri. Is quite telling. Cherki. Oh, and he didn't get a hold of it! And O'Reilly pounces! Well, City's grip tightens as the goalkeeper's failed him.
Well, it's been coming, hasn't it, for Manchester City? They've been asking questions. They've grown in confidence throughout this second half. They couldn't high. O'Reilly finds himself. And they've just prodded and poked and waited and been patient, Manchester City. All of a sudden, they strike, just comes on that blind side, O'Reilly. And I'll guarantee you he'll never score an easier goal in a cup final. But it doesn't matter. First blood, Manchester City. First blood, the master, Pep Guardiola.
And so often it's the attacking player whose reactions are the swifter. Kepa will struggle to live down that moment. O'Reilly winning that well, and setting Doku on his way. Tess Nunes. And O'Reilly's there again! Sheer delight for Manchester City! Arsenal sent tottering to the canvas! And Manchester City planting one hand firmly on the trophy now.
Declan Rice, Mikel Arteta, they can't understand what's happened, but Manchester City have been superb in this second half. Big players have stepped up for them. Nunes can pick his spot here, has so much time. And it's O'Reilly at the back post with a simple header, back across, makes absolutely no mistake, drifts away in dreamland for Manchester City. Pep Guardiola running down the touchline. He knows how big this is. It's absolutely massive for Manchester City, not just for this afternoon, not just for the Carabao Cup, but could it be a psychological blow in the Premier League? Could this, taking this first time rather than have this little touch. Decides to flick it up and he catches it so well on the volley. I think it's Gyökeres in the middle. Doesn't quite make contact as it flashes across. See there? Oh, it's so close. It's actually Trossard. Doesn't quite cut across it enough. Calafiori to get that bend on it to find its way into the bottom corner.
Out to Madueke. Can they retrieve it? Oh! And clattering against the crossbar. Gabriel Jesus almost giving Arsenal a road back.
And he did everything right, just trying to feel it back across and let it fall into that top corner. Just gets his angle slightly wrong. Trafford thinks he's beat as he dives into the back of the net. Just kisses the top of that crossbar. It's actually Erling Haaland that's back on the line there, waiting for it to drop.
Engravers at work.
Blue moon ringing round Wembley Stadium yet again. Well, it might not be on the score sheet yet again at Wembley, but you cannot question Erling Haaland's work rate this afternoon.
Manchester City on cloud nine. The 9th time they have laid hands on the Football League Cup. And a local boy is the hero, Nico O'Reilly. An unlikely double does for Arsenal. Much pleasure in this prize as any other. In the second half, they have stepped it up and got rich reward. The final score in the 2026 Carabao Cup final, Arsenal 0, Manchester City 2.
The winners of the 2026
Manchester City,
Carabao Cup.
Wembley winners again.
Manchester City!
For the 9th time, only bettered by Liverpool, they take home